Hey, put my little shit next to it. Can't even see it, huh?
Yeah.
Little brother.
Jeez.
Shit is so little compared to that.
Well, that's 10th scale or
It says it's supposed to be a 1/8 scale, but I
8th
don't
scale
think it
to 5th scale. I think 2 of my tires weigh what that car weighs.
is. Man.
No, just so we got some updates. I did get that gas cap to fit after all. I added a genuine Walbro in-tank clunk filter. What else did I do? Overhauled the shocks. Rear didn't need anything. The fronts did. They were kind of low, uneven. Fixed those. I don't know if you guys remember my video from a while ago. Title was that mine, but I fixed the wheelie bar. These screws came out, and this right here was never in. Actually, it was just moving up and down from the factory. So that's actually fixed 100%. Look at that, like that. That's how it's supposed to look. I changed the spark plug. It's been 3 months. That genuine. Yep. See if you can see it. CMRH or CM7 something. What else did I do? And deep cleaned. That's it.
Hey.
It's 8th scale ARMA.
So what's your page, bro? So I can go in there.
Thanks for watching.